What if a simple device on your table could spin without being plugged in? No batteries. No fuel. Just motion. It sounds impossible until you see it for yourself. Most of us grow up believing energy only comes from obvious sources, electricity, fuel, or sunlight. If something moves, it must be powered by something we can measure and see. But that belief leaves little room for curiosity. Because the moment something doesn't fit that model, we dismiss it before exploring it. At the same time, many people feel disconnected from how energy actually works in the world around them. We consume it, but rarely understand it. There's a quiet curiosity many people carry, a desire to understand more. To build something with their own hands. To explore ideas that sit just outside conventional thinking. Not because they reject science, but because they're drawn to learning through experience. That feeling of wanting to experiment, to discover, is something most of us had as kids, and slowly lost over time. But here's the reality: if we never explore beyond what's familiar, we miss out on the chance to question, test, and learn in new ways. Not everything has to be proven instantly to be worth exploring. Some ideas are valuable simply because they spark curiosity and creativity. And when curiosity disappears, so does innovation. So what if instead of asking, "Is this proven?" you asked, "What can I learn from building this?" That shift changes everything. Because now, it's not about believing or rejecting, it's about experimenting, observing, and understanding. This is where hands-on projects like this come in. It's a simple DIY setup that uses basic materials, like copper wire and magnets, to create motion in a unique way. No complicated tools. No advanced technical background required. Just a guided process that lets you build something from scratch and observe how it behaves. Some people associate this kind of project with the idea of a natural life force, energy. Others see it purely as an experiment involving magnetism, motion, and arrangement of materials. What's important is this: modern science does not confirm the existence of such energy as a measurable source. But that doesn't take away from the value of the experience itself. Because as you build, you begin to understand how components interact, how movement can be influenced, how small changes affect outcomes. It becomes less about belief, and more about exploration. When the device finally starts moving, there's a sense of satisfaction that's hard to explain. Not because it breaks the rules, but because you built something with your own hands. You begin to see energy differently. Not just as something you consume, but something you can study, question, and experiment with. It reconnects you with the process of learning, through doing. This kind of project is ideal for people who enjoy DIY and hands-on building, curious minds who like experimenting with new ideas, educators looking for engaging demonstrations, anyone interested in exploring concepts like motion, magnetism, and energy. It's not about expertise, it's about curiosity. In a world where everything is ready-made, there's something powerful about creating something yourself. Not for perfection. Not for certainty. But for discovery. Because sometimes, the most valuable thing you gain is a new way of thinking. If this sparked your curiosity and you'd like to explore this kind of hands-on project step by step, you can check the link in the description to learn more and see how you can try it yourself.